We put that system in.
We put that one in too?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That is a 2-speed Amana. 16s here. Nice system. Putting a nice coat of wax on the unit. Cleans the dust and dirt off the top, but it also, if the sun beats on it, just doesn't tear up the paint and fades it, makes it look real, much older than it really is. Now, I really think that this makes a big difference because I've been to some 6 years later that we've been putting wax on for years, and you can tell the amount of sun fading that's happened to some that are not wax and some that are. It's a little step, but homeowner comes and sees a big sun faded. Oh, it must be out in the sun for years. This thing must be older than they said, or you know, they don't really read the model and serial numbers of the units to figure out the age. Some are going off condition. That thing could be 15, 20 years old, but it looks brand new. It's been maintained and cleaned. And here I'm putting a nice coat of wax down on the air conditioner. Again, just helping it with the elements, making sure that the sun doesn't fade it out any while it's sitting on the side here, and we can just give it the best chance to shine for years and years. Look good, run good. Look good, run good.
That's just a regular turtle wax?
Yeah, it's just a regular wax and dry. Yeah, just a quick wipe down. It already looks much better. Good. Looks good.